Alright guys, let's react to beauty care game again. Looks like we're starting off strong with a cat. Okay, we're poking, we're using the claws to poke the pus out. There's a cat doing this. It's pretty unsanitary. Hey, does that not hurt? Does that not hurt? She's just like, yeah, I do this all the time. This cat is good. This cat knows the places where to go. Really getting her face done though. Ew. Okay, there's some green. Why was that green? Look at those little beans. Look at those beans go, guys. Those beans are putting in work. They're not making biscuits, they're popping pimples. This is why you should get cats, because they know how to do things with your face. What's the, ew! Oh. Thanks for watching.